What's up, guys? It's the Volcanic Escape. Today we are going to be trying out spicy noodles.
Hot and spicy Firework Volcanic Mongolian beef flavored.
Yes. So, yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe. And let's get into it.
Yep, let's get into it. Well, if I can open it.
Let me try.
Alright.
I can do it.
We'll be right back.
Guys,
Alright.
we are back. We are back. So we had some trouble.
So,
Here,
there's the sauce.
there's the sauce of it.
The seasoning.
It literally, look, has fire on it.
The seasoning.
Yes, seasoning.
And the veggies.
The veggies.
Yep. And
No,
there's the noodles.
Noodles.
Now
right
we
there.
gotta fill it to the line that's in here. So,
Yes, guys.
then it says we cook it for 5 minutes. So apparently we were supposed to put the seasoning packet and the vegetables in with the noodles. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and we're going to stick it back in for the last minute that we have. Alright, so now that that's done.
I gotta add it.
I know.
Tilt it up.
Hold on.
And,
Whoa, careful.
it's getting all over your hand.
I know.
Go wash your hands.
Ew, that stinks.
Yeah, go
That
wash
fire sauce stinks.
Can you go wash your hands?
I'm getting ready to.
No, I didn't!
Alright, go ahead and start stirring it.
Okay. Oh, wow, now, yeah.
Alright. So let me see it. You're just putting it right there on top. Alright, you want Daddy to try it first, or you try it first?
Me.
You want to try it first?
I mean, you.
Me?
You.
Alright, so
Okay.
here it goes. Hot and spicy Firework Volcanic Mongolian beef flavored. So let's go ahead and try it.
Yes. My daddy's trying it first because it's spicy. Okay.
Okay. Here's what I'm going to do for you, kid.
What?
Because it's honestly, I would get, you got some tea in the fridge. Come here.
I hate this.
Come here. It's only one little bite.
Don't do more. Do a little.
How about that one?
That.
Okay, come here. We'll be right back. Apparently too hot for him. Good?
My daddy's coming in for a second bite. So, my daddy's blowing on it.
Well, yeah, because it's hot. We just had it in the microwave for 6 minutes. But that don't take away the spiciness. But, honestly, it does got some spice to it. I'd say maybe a
I'm gonna give it a 10.
A 10 for spiciness?
I guess it's gonna be. It's gonna be.
Maybe for you, I would say
full.
a 10 for you because you're not used to spicy stuff. But for me, I give it.
I'm gonna give it a full. I'm gonna give it a full.
Well, I'd say for you maybe a 10, but me, I'd probably say a 4. I mean, yes, it's hot. It's giving you that coffee. It's giving you that cough, runny nose, making your eyes water a little bit, but it's not that bad. Literally.
Guys, so
You need more?
no, this is what I draw for the Easter Bunny. So, love you guys.
Oh, he loves you all. Thank you guys so much for watching our channel. And I'm going to go sit down on the couch and finish these because these are delicious.
If you're new here, comment and like and subscribe to Vaulted Escape. Peace.